Welcome back to GITEX 2023. I'm sitting here with Joel from VQ Communications. Thank you for joining us, Joel.
Hi. Thank you for having me.
So maybe before we begin, can you tell us a bit more about yourself and VQ Communications?
Yeah, of course. So my name is Joel Price. I'm a Customer Success Manager here at VQ Communications, and my role is actually quite straightforward. My role here at VQ, I've been asked to join to essentially ensure our customers get maximum value once they have actually purchased a VQ Conference Manager solution. Now I do this by doing a few things. The first one, it may sound obvious, but actually understanding what is the customer actually trying to achieve. And up under this, my role is also to inform them of any enhancements we make to a product, but importantly also listen to what it is that they may want us to consider doing on our product portfolio to enhance our capabilities to meet their requirements.
Great.
Now, as got to VQ Communication, to your question as to what we do, we are 50 employees strong with about 40 engineers spread across the UK, and we supply a solution, a product, a software, should I say, called VQ Conference Manager, which is a management layer to Cisco CMS and Cisco devices, and essentially allows you to unleash all the greatness that Cisco delivers through CMS and devices by delivering a range of video and audio services. And this actually allows to deliver a few use cases, actually 2 or 3 in most cases. So the first one is self-serve, where customers may want to enable their users to schedule and manage their own meetings. The second use case is where maybe an organization wants to get some of their users to contact a team and say, hey, I've got an important call taking place later, can you schedule it on my behalf and make sure it goes well? And often we can actually see also a combination of both these use cases where an organization wants to have users schedule their own calls as well as having this, what we call an operator concierge / white glove service capabilities. So that's us in a nutshell.
Yeah. Thanks. And how has been your experience at GITEX so far?
It's been absolutely manic, so it's been very, very busy. I'm quite glad being here. This is the first time actually sitting down over the last 2 or 3 days, so I'm very pleased to be here. So it's been very busy and it's been great. We have made a significant investment in the region. So I've been come on board to deliver what I just mentioned to my role here at VQ, but also we have recruited a new head of sales for the Middle East territory to provide better support, increased support to our partners, to our customers, and to work even closer than ever with Cisco. So during this event, we met our current customer base, of course. We met new partners that we're looking forward to working with, and of course meeting the Cisco team. And like talking to you earlier, it's fantastic to be there.
Yeah, it's been great to have you here. Now, can you tell us a bit more about the integration actually between the Cisco and VQ communication solutions?
Yes, of course. So we've been a Solution Plus partner now coming to just about 3 years' time. So we're used to working with you guys over this amount of time, and we work closely with the Cisco team to come up with new products which meets the strategy that Cisco has and complements what you're doing in the collaboration space. So an example of this is actually around the Cisco TMS announcement that you were discussing earlier, where an announcement has been made that the product is going end of sale, it's going to go end of life. And so for the past 2 years, we've been working with you guys to deliver VQ DMA, so VQ Device Management and Automation, which essentially is a replacement to Cisco TMS, but with some enhancements and new features added. So plenty of work being done there to deliver this product, and we've had successful discussion with many customers to implement that solution for them. But also another one that we're working very closely with you guys is it's called the Metro app. So essentially enabling users to schedule their own meetings and manage their own meetings in a user-friendly fashion through an application which can be used on almost any platform and any device. So whether it is on the iPhone, whether it is on Android, whether it is on a Mac, we can actually enable these users to benefit again from Cisco CMS while having an application which is user-friendly and easy to use also.
Yeah. Great. And so what can our partners and customers expect to see when they visit VQ Communications at our stand?
Yeah, so there's plenty there that we're showing today. Again, as I mentioned, VQ DMA is something we're getting plenty of demand and been showing a lot over the last 2 or 3 days. We're also showing Metro, but in terms of what is on the roadmap and the future, so we are going to continue building on the DMA capability, so more enhancement coming on this product line, more around Metro, but also what we are doing is also adding some capabilities when it comes to actually the operator platform side of things. So we've got a feature release called Feature Release 4.3 coming out in November with plenty of enhancement for those who've got this concierge model I was mentioning earlier. So if you've got a team of operators, many more functions will become available, and also high availability coming at the end of this year, where we'll have customers who may want to have this element of redundancy in case of disaster taking place. We'll have a backup to enable high availability by the end of this year too.
Okay, great. I mean, it's been very informative. Thank you, Joel. It's been a pleasure having you and VQ Communications with us this year, and hopefully we'll host you again next year.
I'm sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.